What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're doing something a little different today. Just got his new Ego lawnmower, 56 volt, complete monster. I want to give a big shout outs to my boy Yard Bruh. He's from Cali. He inspired me to get some new equipment for my house, and it works wonders. As soon as I started using this, the cut is just incredible, smooth. The self-propeller is just very soft. The blades is just like cutting hair. Amazing. Just look at the stripes. And this is not even using the checkmate. This is just simply unbelievable. Now here we're using the Ego POWERLOAD split cordless string trimmer. Yes, I know this is not a trimmer to do it like the way I'm doing it, but I feel very confident in doing it my way. Seems to be working. I love to edge. It's like giving a shape up to a haircut. Usually I do this in the middle of the week. Haircut, shape up. Haircut, shape up. Now, what a beautiful day it turned out to be. I had to do this in the morning today before it started to rain later afternoon. It's been raining for about 2 weeks straight. So I got this done, and look at this grass. Looking so nice, so green. Compared to all the rest of the neighbors, my grass is popping. I have Centipede grass, and it's on level 4 on the Ego, and the stripes are on point. I didn't even use the checkmate yet. That should be on the next video, but it is looking fabuloso. As you can see here, I do have about 5,000 square feet of grass, and it is a lot of grass, let me tell you. The people that had this house before me really did not take care of this grass, so I'm trying to relive it. It's my first time in Savannah, Georgia, and I'm trying to do the best I can with this grass. Like I said, I want to give all the credits to my boy in Washington State, Yard Bruh. Thank you for all the advice. You've been a great help to me. I follow all the steps you do. Like I said, the rain was coming. Hard, hard, hard. Just look how sweet that cut is with that rain hitting it. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Peace.